That's great news. Stocks are in record territory again, heading into the final hour of trading. It all looks good. Let's bring in one of the best, Point View Wealth Management's David Dietze. David, when I heard you on, I said, hooray, a great closer for the show. Tomorrow we get those jobs numbers from November. The problem is the jobs numbers, of course, are looking back in a rearview mirror, and a lot of the hiring that was done in November, they didn't anticipate the spike that now the CDC is telling we have. Is that a problem for you?
Well, absolutely. I mean, but you're right. This is a rear view window look. It's going to be a little disappointing because it's going to be less jobs created than the month before. We're looking at about 440,000 jobs versus 660 in October. However, we do think the unemployment rate is going to notch down a little bit. But I think at the end of the day, David, it's all about the vaccine. And so stock investors are going to be looking forward and not saying what was November's unemployment rate, but what's the unemployment rate going to be in January and February once we get that vaccine rolled out. However, the one wild card is if the number is really bad, that actually could light a fire under Congress to get together and create a stimulus bill.
Well, yeah, but I think stopping the lockdowns is even more important than that. But, you know, we had the initial jobless claims today. They were way down. It seems that despite the outbreaks and the fear of it, businesses are gearing up for an end of the pandemic. You mentioned the vaccine plus the end of the lockdowns. We only have about 20 seconds. Go.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think, governments around the country are realizing the lockdowns don't work. I think people realize that by taking simple precautions, they can go about and re-engage with the economy. Of course, we had some holidays here. People went out, even though they were cautioned not to. So I think things are picking up. Of course, we did have a weak ADP private jobs number in Tuesday, but I think expectations are very muted. So anything better than 440, I think it gives another boost to this market.
David Dietze, great to see you. Thank you very much.